Hello, welcome in my first investment video. This will be about AMD company. Yesterday, 28th of July, AMD released Q2 financial results, and we will just check how it went. Revenue is 1.93 in Q2 2020, $1.93 billion. Compared to Q1, it's up 8%, which is okay. Compared to previous year, it's up to 26%, which is really good. The performance of the Ryzen's and EPYC processors is very noticeable and is the main driver of the revenue. Expenses are up year to year, so high revenue also meant higher expenses. Operating income is $173, which is tripled from previous year. Previous year is almost 60, it's $59 million, which is a great sign. Net income 157, up from 35 in 2019. Come on, 2019 was really terrible for AMD. Earning per share 0.13. In 2019 it was 0.03. So AMD quadrupled their earning per share in 1 year, which is absolutely amazing performance. So this is about the first part of the AMD. Let's go a little bit lower, where we have the message from Lisa Su, who is CEO and President of AMD. We delivered strong second quarter results led by record notebook and server processor sales as Ryzen and EPYC revenue more than doubled from a year ago. It doubled, but the earning per share quadrupled, which is amazing sign. Despite macroeconomic uncertainty, we are raising our full year revenue outlook as we enter our next phase of growth driven by the acceleration of business in multiple markets. Yeah, that's like common sense. Here are the Q2 results in a more detailed version. Basically, the strong demand for Ryzen processors and EPYC resulted in this excellent 1 year performance. The performance is also Lisa Su came to AMD in 2014, so it's 6 years, but now it's just amazing. We can see the computer and graphics segment revenue was $1.37 billion, up 45% year over year. That's just unbelievable numbers, man. Enterprise revenue was 565. 4% down year over year, but 62% quarter over quarter. That means that in this year, AMD focused more on enterprise business than the private one. And they mentioned that revenue was lower year over year due to lower semi-custom product sales, largely offset by higher EPYC processor sales. So exactly as I said. Okay, now we have very, very interesting part. I would like to really mention that one. We have PRI highlights. So this is what AMD does behind the doors, let's say. They are working closely with Google on confidential virtual machines for Google Computer Engine, and it will be powered exclusively by AMD EPYC processor, featuring AMD Secure Encrypted Virtualization. This is processors used in clouds. So as we know, Google is heavily investing in the cloud business, and if they will use exclusively AMD EPYC, this is a huge business. AWS, the leader of the cloud business, also is using the AMD EPYC infrastructure. Oracle, Dell, we can see it here. Yeah, it's Google, AWS, Amazon, Oracle, and AMD, Dell, HP, IBM, Nutanix, Supermicro, VMware, yeah, all over them. Dell Technologies, Amazing. And NVIDIA, of course. Okay, here is one very important thing. Lenovo and AMD announced the Lenovo ThinkStation powered by AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro processor, which is high-end processors. It's professional 64-core professional workstation. Yeah, so Lenovo will be a partner of AMD. Now, expectations for AMD. Yeah, look at that. Expected is 2.55 billion. Approximately 42% year by year. 42. They expect to still using Ryzen and EPYC processors as the main business. Let's have a look on the stock performance. I just created this stuff to show you how AMD reached new all-time high. Here we have June 2019. High there is 34 US dollars per share. And here we go. 1 year later, 71. That's more than a double. It's if you would buy in the worst possible time in June, you will still have a double now. If you would buy in the best possible time, you would have it for 28, which is like 130% or something like that. It's just the performance of AMD is amazing. If AMD fulfills what they promised for the rest of this year, 100 is more than possible. More than possible. I think over 100, maybe over 200. We will see. But yeah, Lisa Su and AMD delivered exactly what they promised. Their business works fine. Thank you for watching and see you next time.